There's a Zuru X-Shot Dino Attack gun. Has dinosaur eggs. I guess you shoot at the eggs. And it's got extra shots for $10, and that's $15. Then they have a big one down here, and it's $20. I found a frozen tea set. It is so cute. It is $12. What's a race car?
Yeah.
$15. Does it do anything else? Oh wow.
Oh look, Credible Hawk.
Hold on, we'll get that one. There's a hot potato game. I need to get that for me and Robbie. That'd be lots of fun. It is, see if I can find a price for you. I don't see a price on it, but it looks fun. Beef jerky? Is it the same one or a different one?
Different one.
Uh-oh. Where do you go?
And they got
Some wild stuffed animals. Got some snakes. Pretty big. See if I can find a price on it. Looks like one is a rattlesnake. There's the rattle. There's a colorful snake. Let's see. And then there's some monkeys down here. Wow, look at this. That is a nice play set. It's just like the Disney ride in the ride at Disney World. See, it's got the broken track and Kong, Gorilla Rampage. They have a interceptor with camera. Looks like a drone. I haven't seen this before. It's a Barbie bicycle. It's got all kinds of stuff with it. See if I found some lunch boxes for $7. Baby Shark, Paw Patrol, Peppa Pig. I'm coming. Spider-Man. Okay. This says the world's smallest Barbie. And it actually works. It's a house and a tiny, tiny little Barbie. Let's stick my finger and show you how tiny that Barbie is. Alright, I found some, this is called the Lurking Lizard. It says, tilt my head, I stop and look for prey. They got it in different colors. They have a snake. It says my tongue flicks out, my eyes move. These are $15. And they have a dinosaur back here. It's called Zuru Robo Live. I don't know if y'all can see this, but they're pretty neat. Star Wars Battle Bobblers. Minnie Mouse. All kinds of stuff. $15. Let's see. Yeah, they're dinosaur hands. Alright, found some Frozen 2 body wash for $10. And this is 3-in-1 body wash, shampoo, and conditioner for $5. Flavored lip gloss, and it looks sparkly in different colors. $5. Here's a nail set with polish, and it's $5. We got a huge nail set up here for $15. It's got nail polish, all kinds of stuff. That one's $15. Got nail polish up here that's frozen for $10. Frozen headphones. It's got, oh, it's an RC.
Alright.
Mm-hmm. Have some big plastic dinosaurs. There's one back there. They're pretty big. And they are $12. They're pretty. Candy dispenser, touch activated, $10. These are little plush animals with blankets. Nice little gift for a child. We have 101 Dalmatian dog down there. And Batman blankets. Star Wars. They got a little princess blanket. Minnie Mouse. These are $15. It says buy one, get one half price. All different kinds.